So as Professor Seeger said, this is a long-awaited moment. And we reached this part of the program because of the support of so many. You know, people like our Math Prize founders, Arun and Ravi, our outstanding host, MIT, enduring sponsors like Akamai, donors like Wolfram and MathCamp. And this year, we welcome yet another sponsor. Two Sigma has joined the Math Prize ranks of believers in the abilities of young women. They are the sponsors at the $25,000 level, and they brought swag. From those to whom much is given, much is expected. And girls, you definitely show that you feel you've received a lot and give back. You pay it forward in many ways. You generously donate time and energy to creating math circles, coaching math and robotics teams, leading groups of young women, young girls, to excite them in science, technology, engineering, and math. Now, their shared enthusiasm encourages a new generation to join their ranks. And events like Math Prize, in turn, support these young women to find their place in the math and STEM world. Many of the families here today have shown great appreciation for the event. It's wonderful to hear. Several of you have asked what you can do, okay? As a nonprofit, every donation we receive is critical and used for the benefit of the young women who are here. We are a nonprofit, so we are tax deductible, and any company that does matching would be able to do so under the same auspices. If you feel events like this are important for the young women who are here, go to the Math Prize for Girls website and click the donate button. It's the best way and easiest, straightforward way to show support. So without waiting any longer, I'm going to announce the top 10 awards. I'm going to ask that the top 10 students wait on the stage after you receive your award. If you could wait to the side, and then we'll take the group picture as we normally do, so you can move over to this side. As usual, ladies, when you are called, please come up quickly, find your way. You will receive your trophy from Dr. Seeger and Arun Alagappan. And Dr. Ellison will, of course, be supporting them again. So if our dignitaries would come up, please, and help us out. I'm going to be announcing the level of the award, the amount of money associated with it, and then the young person who has won it. And we can clap at every name. Now, why the mystery of the extra honorable mentions up there? It turns out that 5 young women tied for a score of 11 out of 20. One in particular solved slightly harder problems, so she will receive the 10th place trophy. So, to distribute, I would like to announce from Illinois, Karen Gee. Each one of these 5 winners will be receiving $450. From Florida, Ellen Lee. Are you picking up the trophy for someone? Oh, okay. All right. Attending Phillips Exeter Academy in New Hampshire, Chi Chi. From Pennsylvania, Claire Tang. And the young lady who solved the slightly harder problems, also receiving $450 and the 10th place trophy itself, from New York, Wanlin Lee. In 9th place, having solved 11 out of 20 problems and receiving $450, Lillian Zhang. From Ontario. Sorry. In 8th place, having solved 11 out of 20 problems, winning $450, from California, Meghal Gupta. In 7th place, having solved 12 out of 20 problems, usually 7th place receives $1,250. This young person is also very young. She is a 9th grader, and so will therefore, as the highest scoring young person, will receive the youth prize, adding another $1,000, making her winnings $2,250. From California, Catherine Katie Wu. It's a hard problem to have. How many trophies can one hold and shake hands at the same time? In 6th place, having solved 12 problems out of 20, receiving $1,250, from California, Michelle Chen. We will have to mail her a trophy and winnings. Oh, you're here. There you are. In 5th place, having solved 12 problems out of 20, receiving $1,250, from California, Celine Liang. In 4th place, having solved 12 problems out of 20, receiving $1,250, from Massachusetts, Amy Chu. Or maybe Amy Cho. Sorry for the mispronunciation. In 3rd place, having solved 13 out of 20 problems, $7,500 will be going to our California attendee, Michelle Song. In second place, having solved 13 out of 20 and receiving $7,500, from North Carolina, Angela Deng. And while I have your attention, we have 2 waves of shuttles today. There's one at 4 o'clock and one at 4:30. Please, those of you who are taking the second wave of shuttles, you know who you are, you've received emails. Please wait and don't crowd the shuttle area and let the 4 o'clock, 4:15 shuttle people go first. There will be several people attending there, checking names and confirming that you're on the right shuttle going to the airport. As you leave the building, I know there's construction, but there should be signs indicating to you where to get the shuttles. They're literally a few meters away from here, okay? We have a lost and found. There's a little pile of bags over here. I know you like that. There are a few pile of bags. If you could make sure that you have your bag, and if you don't, yours is here. And the person, Yu Young Woon, has left her suitcase in 26100. All right, we're all set. In first place, having solved 16 out of 20, 3 more than the previous level, winning $31,000. From Missouri, Rachel Zane. If the top 10 winners can all please meet in the middle here and get a professional shot right in front of our sign. Oh, everybody, unless you're holding your trophy for your friend, you shouldn't stay in the picture. If you're holding your own trophy, you should. Yeah. Thank you so much. Sure. Thank you so much. That was wonderful. Everyone's welcome to take pictures. Our ceremony has ended. Thank you very much. It's been wonderful having you.